Draw, loose. Hi, it's Todd at Todd's Workshop and Todd Cutler here, and I'm back, well, with a bunch of friends at Kentwell Hall. We're in the middle of a reenactment. This seemed like the perfect opportunity to really find out what it feels like to be in your night vision helmet, so basically a knight's point of view with a whole load of arrows coming in. What does it look like? So we've got a couple of cameras on it, one on regular filming, one on slow-mo. So I'll give the order to shoot, everybody's going to shoot it, and we're just going to see what happens. See what it looks like to be at the wrong end of a bunch of archers. Shooting on the night vision, at your will, shoot! Nice first round, guys. Oh, not one more, Dan. Oh, nice one, Morgan. Nice. Come on. Well, then maybe we should do it knock, draw, loose. Can we just all hold for a minute? So we're knocked, draw, loose, loose. Draw, loose, draw, loose. Draw, loose. Draw, loose. Ah. And this is Jed, my editor. Oh! And he can shoot. Well done. Thank you very much, everybody. Well, that was a bit of fun. You know, we all want to know what it looks like. Just so you know, as far as I'm aware, there is no historical evidence for giving the commands knock, draw, loose, which we see so much in the media, you know. But the reason we see it so much, I think, is it just looks really good. So I did it too. But don't take it for gospel. Thanks. Well, I hope that looked as good from this end as it did from the other end, but of course I can't tell until all of us see it, really. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. What is there to say? See you next time.